Replacing a door might seem like a simple home improvement project, but even small errors can lead to costly repairs, reduced energy efficiency, and poor curb appeal. Homeowners in Rayne often face unique challenges due to Louisiana's humid climate and traditional architectural styles. To ensure your door replacement in Rayne goes smoothly, it's important to understand the most common mistakes and how to avoid them. Choosing the wrong door type or material. One of the most frequent mistakes is selecting a door that doesn't match your home's needs or weather conditions. Many homeowners in Rayne are tempted by looks alone, choosing doors based on design rather than durability. For instance, wood doors, though elegant, can warp or swell in high humidity. Steel doors resist warping but may rust without proper maintenance. Fiberglass doors offer excellent energy efficiency and are better suited for humid conditions. Before making a choice, consider your home's exposure to the elements, maintenance preferences, and overall energy goals. Consulting a local door replacement expert in Rayne ensures you get the right material for Louisiana's weather. Ignoring proper door measurements. Improper measurements are a leading cause of installation issues. Even a small miscalculation can result in a door that sticks, leaks air, or fails to close properly. Many DIYers rely on frame dimensions instead of the actual rough opening, leading to sizing errors. Professionals always measure the width and height of the rough opening, the door jamb thickness, the swing direction and clearance. A correctly measured door ensures a snug fit, which enhances energy efficiency and home security. If you're unsure, it's best to have a door installation technician in Rayne take the measurements for you. Skipping frame and structural inspection. Replacing a door without checking the frame for rot, moisture damage, or uneven settling is another common mistake. A new door installed on a damaged frame won't function correctly and may fail prematurely. Given Rayne's humid climate, moisture can easily seep into wooden frames, especially in older homes. Always inspect for soft or cracked wood, mold growth, uneven alignment due to shifting foundations. If problems are found, repair or replace the frame before installing your new door. This ensures long-term performance and structural integrity. Poor insulation and weatherproofing. Energy efficiency is crucial in Louisiana's warm and humid environment. Yet many homeowners neglect to properly seal and insulate their doors. Without weather stripping, gaps around the door frame can lead to drafts, water leaks, and higher energy bills. To avoid this, use high-quality weather stripping and expanding foam insulation. Seal the threshold and hinges properly. Consider energy-efficient door models with insulated cords. A properly insulated door not only enhances comfort but also lowers your air conditioning costs during Rayne's hot summers. Incorrect door installation. Even the best quality door will fail if it's installed incorrectly. Common installation mistakes include misaligned hinges, uneven placement causing the door to stick, neglecting to level the threshold, using the wrong fasteners or adhesives. DIY installations often lead to squeaky hinges, uneven gaps, and air leaks. Hiring a professional door replacement service in Rayne guarantees that your door operates smoothly and seals correctly, giving you peace of mind for years. Forgetting about design consistency. Your new door should complement your home's architecture and enhance curb appeal. A modern steel door on a classic Creole-style home might look out of place. Before purchasing, consider your home's color palette, window trims, and surrounding decor. A well-chosen door not only boosts your property's appearance but also adds to its resale value, something every Rayne homeowner can appreciate. Overlooking local building codes. Lastly, many homeowners forget to check local Rayne building codes and law requirements. Some neighborhoods have specific rules about door design, materials, or installation methods. Ignoring these can delay your project or result in fines. Always verify compliance before replacing your door to ensure a smooth process from start to finish. Final thoughts. A door replacement in Rayne can enhance your home's security, beauty, and energy efficiency, but only if done right. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures a longer-lasting installation and better performance. If you're uncertain about measurements, materials, or installation techniques, contact a trusted Rayne door replacement specialist. Professional guidance will save you time, money, and frustration while ensuring your new door looks perfect and functions flawlessly.